In this video, we'll discuss about exception bubbling. If an exception is not handled in a page, it will be bubbled up from the lower page. It means from the Object Studio to the upper layer. It means from the Object Studio to the Process Studio until it reaches the main page. When an exception moves upward from objects to the main page in the Process Studio is known as exception bubbling. When we run our process, so it goes from the main page to the sub page. So if we have created one page in the main page, that is launch and login, so it will go from the launch and login to that specific page, launch and login sub page, and then it will go to that action, and then it will open that objects that we created there, and then based on that type into, or based on that it will go and type here. So here it is going from upward to lower page while processing, but when an exception occurs on this login page, so let's say we are going to type here staff number and an exception occurs. So if an exception occurs on this staff number, so it will raise an exception, it will throw the exception here. So what will happen here, this will directly go to the in the Process Studio in the upper, so it will go from lower to upper, so it will go directly to the action stage where this object is called, and then it will go to that sub page where it is used in the main page. And then if we have used here exception handling global recover, then in the main page it will recover that, and then it will store that exception details and resume from there. So if we have not handled the exception in the sub page, it will be bubbled up here. Let me show one example here. Here you will see we have launch and login page, and so this is used on the main page, but whenever we will run that, this page will be opened so that it can go and process that whatever stages we have used in this page. So it will open that page, this one, and then it will try to process, execute these things, right? And then this will open the specific object studio, and then it will process there. Now here you will see in the launch and login we have not handled on this sub page. So let me run this, and what I have done in the launch and login page, I have set 0.2 second in the wait and time, so it will throw an error. So now you can see it is throwing an error, but it is coming from lower page to the upper page on this main page, and it is throwing an error. So login page did not load. So this is exception bubbling. In the next video we will discuss about retry mechanism.